what we saw now is, we saw a single thread running. You just had a single thread called A. Now let us have another thread also running. Okay, I had code over here, thread 2. Let's name this thread B. Okay, you have thread A and thread B. You have both thread A and thread B running. Now let us see what will happen with the output. Now for the output here, we will just have a small modification so that you will get to know which thread is running. So I'll just have thread, because when you have two threads running simultaneously, you want to differentiate which thread is running. Okay, so simply have a thread, what was thread name? Control C, thread name plus thread name plus, I'll give a bit of space, otherwise, okay. I'll have just simply A, B, so that the outputs are much more easier. When you see the outputs, things will be easier. I save my program. Okay, now all what I've done is, just like I have T1, I even have another thread called T2. To differentiate which thread's output is which N, I simply give you a thread name plus N. I'll save my program. I'll compile my program. Java C, thread 1 extends Java. Okay, I forgot a double quotes over there. Let me put my double quotes. Okay, Java C. Yeah, I'll run my program. Now look here. Okay, I created thread A. I know you won't be able to get time. Okay, now once the output is finished, we'll explain. You created a thread A. You created a thread B. Thread A started executing first. Thread A started executing first. The moment you had your constructors, these first two lines happened. The moment you had your constructors, you had creating thread, because the created thread statement, we had it inside our constructors. All the remaining, we had it inside our run. All the remaining, we had inside our run method. You've started running A, you ran A5. The loop was executed once. Soon after execution of A once, B started. Okay, B5. Then it went back to 4. You remember context switching? Okay, that happened over here. A, then it went to B, then A, B, A, B. It had no particular order. No, I'll run my program once again. Okay, look here, the output will be a bit different. Okay, it was same, but you go on running your program, you will get different outputs. Okay, anyway, here luckily the outputs are same. You go on running your threads, because there is no synchronization, you will be getting different outputs, different point of time. Okay, anyway, here luckily the outputs are the same. We'll have one more thread so that you get to know the difference. Okay, I'll go back to my program.
Ma'am, different thread A1.
Okay, are you getting a difference? Okay, I am not able to see a difference. Yeah, you got the difference.
Order yes, thread A, thread
5. Look here, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Look here, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2. Is there a difference? 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, B, B. Yeah, there is a difference. Because when everything is black and white, I don't get the difference. There is a difference. Look here, it came here. B, A, B, B, A, B, A, A, B. Look here, it is different. B, B. Look into the first two is enough. Avarthana difference vanu. B, A. Can you see the difference? B, A. Here it is B, B. Are you able to see the difference, Sandra? Here it is again B, A. Order is different.
Yes,
it is different. Order is different. When I looked at a single go, I felt no difference. There will be difference. BA, you run it another time, you will get different output. because then it's not synchronized. Okay, I'll have one more string. Let me have one more string. I'll take my program once again. Let me have another string. Let me have another string. T3, I'll have C. I'll have a string called C, T3 dot start. Okay. T3 dot start. Okay. Java C thread1 dot extends CLS. Okay. Let's see what happens now. Okay. Look here. A got created, B got created. Okay. Before C got created, A started running. Are you able to understand? A got running. After A got running once only, C got created. Okay, C, C, B, A, B. Okay, remember that sequence. C, C, B, A, B. Let's run it again. You'll get a different output. Okay, look here. In this particular output, see, all three got created first. All the three, A, B, C, they got created together. Here in the previous output, look, A got created, B got created, C got created later. Why? Because it is unsynchronized, very simple. Okay, we will learn to synchronize it later. As of now, learn how threads are running. And then after that, you got B, A, C, C, B. It's completely different over here. A, C, B, A, C. Hope you're getting an idea. Look into the output for some time, and then I'll take my program back. Are you getting an idea about how to create a thread? How to create a thread using the extends thread. Very simple. You write extends thread. Simply because you wrote extends thread over here, you are able to create threads and call up the threads with your start. You even put them to sleep. You made them run. You started giving names over here for the thread, whichever names you want, you can give. If you don't give any name, by default, it will be thread 0. It will be thread 1. And this will be thread 2 and so on. Hope you're getting an idea about how to create a thread using a first method, extends thread. Okay. Just give over here something like if n is equal to 3. If n is equal to 3, if n is equal to 3, stop. Okay. If n is equal to 3, what should you do? Stop it. Okay, let's run and see the results. If n is equal to 3. N is equal to double equal to. Okay. Hope you're able to understand the output. I'll clear my screen and get the output. Okay. My statement was if n is equal to 3, stop. Stop means what? Silja, tell me what do you mean by stop? Stop means you're killing your thread. You are making your thread dead. So I gave in my code, if n is equal to 3, stop or kill my thread. Now look here into the output, 5, 4, 3. You do not get 2 and 1. Hope you're able to understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Hope you're able to understand. You do not get 2 or 1 because I've given in my code, whenever you reach n is equal to 3, kill my thread. Make it dead. So I don't get an output. I'll take back my program. This is how you use the stop.